Hi everybody, this is Irina and I'm glad to see you again. Today I want to teach you some polite words and expressions in Russian. I think it's important to know how to be polite when you're talking to someone. And the most common words that we are usually taught are thank you or thanks and please. If you know how to say at least these two words in any language that you are learning, you are doing a great job. Congratulations! These two words are really magical and they can be used in every situation you are facing too. Now let's listen to the word thank you in Russian.
Спасибо. Спасибо.
In Russian, we have only one word to say thank you or thanks. It will always be Spasibo.
Спасибо.
If you want to say thank you very much or thanks a lot, you should use the phrase Спасибо, большое. Let's listen to it.
Спасибо большое. Спасибо большое.
There is also another similar phrase to Спасибо большое, that is Спасибо огромное.
Спасибо огромное. Спасибо огромное.
It can be translated as thanks a lot, a lot, a lot. So if you're extremely grateful for something, you can definitely use this phrase. There is one interesting thing about these phrases. If you want, you can change the word order because it will not affect the sense of a phrase. So you can say Спасибо большое as well as большое спасибо, or Спасибо огромное as well as огромное спасибо. The next word is Пожалуйста, which means please.
Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста.
Here you can note a difference between English language and Russian, because in Russian we use the word please in two main situations. When we ask somebody for something, we add the word please into the phrase. For example, may I have a glass of water, please? Можно мне стакан воды, пожалуйста? The same thing happens both in English and Russian languages. However, in Russian we also use the word please as an answer to the phrase thank you. In English in this case we would say you're welcome or it's my pleasure. For example, my dear, thank you very much for these flowers, they are beautiful. You're welcome, it's my pleasure. In Russian, instead of saying you're welcome, we will say please. Пожалуйста. My dear, thank you very much for these flowers. They are beautiful. Пожалуйста. I hope I explained it clearly. What about the word welcome in Russian? It also exists and it sounds like Добро, пожаловать.
Добро пожаловать. Добро пожаловать.
It can be used only in the context when we are meeting someone in a new place. For example, welcome on board, welcome to Russia, welcome to Japan, добро пожаловать на борт, добро пожаловать в Россию, добро пожаловать в Японию, etc.
Добро пожаловать.
Good. Now let's continue studying polite expressions in Russian. The first one is Вы очень добры or Вы очень любезны, which means it's very kind of you.
Вы очень добры. Вы очень добры. Вы очень любезны. Вы очень любезны.
The next one is Я вам очень благодарен or Я вам очень признателен.
Я вам очень благодарен. Я вам очень благодарен. Я вам очень признателен. Я вам очень признателен.
these phrases are formal, so they can be used when you are talking to your boss, for example. In an informal way, these phrases would sound like «Я тебе очень благодарен» or «Я тебе очень признателен», which means I appreciate something you've done for me.
Я тебе очень благодарен. Я тебе очень благодарен. Я тебе очень признателен. Я тебе очень признателен.
If you want to say I appreciate your help, you should use the phrase «Благодарю вас за помощь» or «Спасибо вам за помощь».
Благодарю вас за помощь. Благодарю вас за помощь. Спасибо вам за помощь. Спасибо вам за помощь.
These are formal expressions. An informal would be «Спасибо тебе за помощь».
Спасибо тебе за помощь. Спасибо тебе за помощь.
Now let's listen to all of the expressions that we've learned today.
Спасибо. Спасибо большое. Спасибо огромное. Пожалуйста. Добро пожаловать. Вы очень добры. Вы очень любезны. Я вам очень благодарен. Я вам очень признателен. Я тебе очень благодарен. Я тебе очень признателен. Благодарю вас за помощь. Спасибо вам за помощь. Спасибо тебе за помощь.
Please note that such expressions as «Я вам очень благодарен», «Я вам очень признателен» or «Я тебе очень благодарен», «Я тебе очень признателен» are in masculine gender. The feminine form will be a little bit different, and I'll explain it to you in another lesson. And that's it for now. I hope this lesson has been useful. If you like it, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me. Спасибо, and see you soon. Пока-пока.